します。ご清聴ありがとうございました。
Thank you very much, Mr. Hideki Shaw, for that very strong pitch you have made for the state of Madhya Pradesh. Thank you very much. I would now like to move on to inviting Mr. Raghavendra Kumar Singh. He is the Principal Secretary, Department of Industrial Policy and Investment Promotion, Government of Madhya Pradesh. And would you like me to ask for the video? So at the beginning of Mr. Raghavendra Kumar Singh's presentation, we would like to play a video, please.
If you seek a land wherein finite possibilities meet boundless opportunities, if you see the nation's largest solar and hydropower plants exist alongside one another on Narmada River, if you're passing through Asia's longest high-speed automotive testing track, if you find more than 300 pharma and medical devices or medtech companies in one land and medicines being exported to 160 countries, if you witness a thriving agricultural ecosystem that produces 27% of India's organic crops and as many as 11 agroclimatic zones, which is the highest in the nation. If you're exploring a vast industrial land bank of more than 1 lakh acres, if you're not facing land and labor issues at all, if you're finding ample raw material for cotton, silk and man-made fiber, if you meet talent from India's first Global Skills Park, IIT, IIM, NIT, NIFT, MANET and many prestigious institutions near you, if you have access to multiple airstrips and 6 world-class airports for connectivity and doing business with ease, if you see a defense hub emerging, if natural resources are in abundance and readily available at your factory's doorstep, if you're awed by World Heritage Sites, wildlife around you, and blessed by spiritual, divine destinations symbolizing India's timeless traditions. If you're looking to expand your business in an ecosystem that offers unparalleled ease and comprehensive support from the government, if you experience dynamic leadership and investor-centric policies, creating an ecosystem for the next industrial revolution, when you find infinite possibilities align in one place, you know you are in Madhya Pradesh, the heart of India. Welcome to the 8th Global Investors Summit 2025, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, where global visionaries, policymakers and industry leaders will converge for 2 power-packed days. Engage directly with Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav, who is committed to realizing the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of a developed nation. The summit transcends boundaries with groundbreaking collaborations and strategic partnerships that drive global investment and innovation. From celebrating our heritage to building a sustainable tomorrow.
अरे आप आइए, आपको अगर पॉलिसी से आउट ऑफ दो भी जाना हो तो सरकार तैयार है आपकी सारी मदद करने के लिए।
Global Investors Summit 2025, 24 and 25 February, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh.
Vande Mataram, Namaskar. Minasan Kumbangwa, Osaka no Fukushima de, Minasan ni oi dekiru go toka, Daihenu reshiku omaima. Now I come from a country which has followed from thousands of years a philosophy called Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. and add our tribe also